Hello children, this is areas of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, in that parallelograms on the same base and between the same parallels we studied till now. Now we are going to study area, that is triangles on the same base and between the same parallels. Okay, so in a similar way we have here. Therefore, let us go to the exercise 11.3. E is any point. Okay, and then in this see, one more thing you must know, examples and theorems from the reader you have to study. Try to study. If you find any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, E is any point. This is D, this is E. Okay, E is any point on median AD. Okay, on median AD of a triangle ABC. Show that area ABE is equals to area ACE. Okay, now in triangle ABC, AD is the median on BC. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle ACD. Okay, this is one. Now in triangle EBC, ED is the median. Therefore area EBD is equals to area of triangle ACD, that is 2. So subtracting 2 from 1, what we get here? Area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD. Area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle EBD is equals to area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD. Okay, so therefore you get area of triangle ABE. Okay, you can observe here children, ABD minus EBD. If you subtract, what you get? ABE. Okay, similarly area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle ECD. If you subtract from ACD, you get ACE. Okay, therefore get area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACE. Okay, now let us move to second problem. In a triangle ABC, this ABC, in a triangle ABC, E is the midpoint of median, E is the midpoint of median AD. Show that area BAD is equals to 1 by 4 times area ABC. Okay, 1 by 4 times by 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles we have. So that is why. So now in triangle ABC, AD is the median on BC. E is the midpoint of AD. Therefore ED is equals to 1 by 2 times AD and BD is equals to 1 by 2 times BC. Okay, now therefore triangle BED is equals to 1 by 2 times into base into height, that is BD into DE. So that is equals to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into BC into 1 by 2 into AD. Okay, so that is equals to 1 by 4 times 1 by 2 times BC into AD. Area of triangle BAD is equals to 1 by 4 times area of triangle ABC. Since area of triangle ABC is equals to half into BC into AD. Okay, the third problem, show that the diagonals of a parallelogram divide it into 4 triangles of equal area. Okay, this is the area of parallelogram. Diagonal AC and BD bisect each other at O. O is the midpoint of AC and BD. Okay, in triangle ACD, DO is the median on AC. Therefore area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle COD. That is 1. Similarly in BDC, CO is the median on BD. Therefore area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle BOC. Call that 2. And in triangle ABC, BO is the median on AC. Therefore area of triangle BOC is equals to area of triangle AOB. That is 3. Now in triangle ABD, AD is the median on BD. Therefore area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle AOD, that is 4. Comparing 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get area of triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle COD is equals to area of triangle BOC is equals to area of triangle BOC is equals to area of triangle AOB. Okay, AOB. All the four triangles are equal. Okay, hence proved. Okay, now next problem is fourth one. ABC and ABD are triangles, are the two triangles on the same base AB. You can see in the diagram, on the same base AB. Okay, AB of line segment CD is bisected by AB at O. Okay, AB at O. Show that area of triangle ABC is equals to area of triangle ABD. Okay, now CD is bisected by AB at O, therefore OC is equals to OD. Now in triangle ADC, AB A, in triangle ADC, AO is the median on DC, therefore triangle AOD is equals to area of triangle AOC. That is one. In triangle BDC, BO is the median on CD. BO is the median on CD. Therefore, area of triangle BOD is equals to area of triangle BOC. That is 2. Adding 1 and 2, you get area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle BOD is equals to area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle, these two is nothing but ABD. ABD is equals to area of triangle ABC. Okay, hence proved. Now fifth problem is DE and F are respectively the midpoints. DEF are the respectively midpoints of the sides BC, CA and AB of a triangle ABC. Show that BDEF is a parallelogram. Area of triangle DEF is equals to 1 by 4 times ABC is, and area of parallelogram BDEF is equals to 1 by 2 times ABC. So first one, let us see first one now. In triangle ABC, DEF are the midpoints of sides AB, okay, BC, AC and AD respectively. Sorry, not AD, BC, AC and AB respectively. Now, therefore, BD is equals to 1 by 2 times BC. BD is equals to 1 by 2 times BC by midpoint theorem. Also, EF is equals to 1 by 2 times BC. Midpoint theorem. EF parallel to BC. Now, therefore, BD is equals to EF and BD equal to FE. Sorry, BD parallel to FE. Therefore, BDEF is a parallelogram. Hence, proved first one. Now, next is, now BDEF is a parallelogram. A diagonal divides a parallelogram into two congruent triangles, isn't it? Therefore, triangle BDEF is congruent to triangle DEF. Area of BDEF is equals to area of DEF. Hence, since these two triangles are congruent, their areas also will be equal. So, that is 1. Similarly, DCEF is a, you can see here, DCEF is a parallelogram. Therefore, DCE is congruent to DEF. Area DCE is equals to area DEF. 2. Also, AEDF is also a parallelogram. Okay, this is a parallelogram. Now, next is, therefore, AEF is congruent to DEFE. Area DCE is equals to area DEF, that is 3. From 1, 2 and 3, area BDEF is equals to area DCE is equals to area AEF is equals to area DEF. Area BDF plus area DCE plus area, all the sum of all this is equals to area ABC. So, therefore, 4 times area DEF is equals to area ABC. 4 times, that is DEF, area DEF is equals to 1 by 4 times area ABC. Okay. Now, third one, area BDF plus area DCE plus area AEF plus area DEF is equals to area ABC. area BDF plus area BDF plus all DEF plus DEF is equals to area. So 2 times BDF plus 2 times area DEF is equals to 2 times area ABC. Now 2 times area BDF plus 2 times area DEF is equals to area ABC. Area parallelogram BDEF is equals to 1 by 2 times area of triangle ABC. Okay. Now let us move to the sixth problem. Diagonals AC and BD of quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O. Okay, intersect at O such that the OB is equals to OD. If AB equal to CD, then show that area DOC is equals to area AOB, and second one area DCB is equals to area ACB. Third one DA parallel to CB or ABCD is a parallelogram. Second, okay. Now in the figure, DM is perpendicular to CO. Yeah, CO, and BN is perpendicular to AO are drawn. In triangle DOM and BON, DOM is equals to BON, vertically opposite angles. DO is equals to BO, it is given. Therefore, triangle DOM is congruent to triangle BON by AAS. Okay, then therefore DM is equals to BN by CPCT. Therefore, area of triangle DOM is congruent to area of triangle DOM is equals to area of triangle BON. Call this as 1. Then in triangle, let us compare DMC and BNA. DMC and BNA. In this, DMC is equals to BNA is equals to 90 degree by construction. DC is equals to AB. Okay, it is given, and DM is equals to BN. It is proved. Therefore, right angle triangle, these two are congruent by AAS theorem. AAS postulate. Now, area DMC is equals to area BNA. Call that as 2. Adding 1 and 2. Area DOM plus area DMC is equals to area BON plus area BNA. Therefore, area DOC is equals to area AOB, that is 3. Now, second question, here it is given, second question, prove that area DCB is equals to area ACB. Okay, now here you can see here, area in, now adding area BOC on both sides, 2, 3. Okay, so what you get? DOC plus BOC is equals to area AOB plus BOC. Okay, then you get area DCB is equals to area ACB. If equals are added to equals, the wholes are equal. Okay, now from third one, from 2, a right angle triangle DMC is equal to right angle triangle BNA. DCM is equals to BAN by CPCT. These are pair of alternate angles. Therefore, AB parallel to DC. Therefore, ABCD is a parallelogram. DA parallel to CB. Now, let us move to seventh problem. That is, seventh problem. D and E are the points on sides. So, you can see here D and E. D and E are the points. These are the points on sides AB and AC respectively. Okay, of triangle ABC such that area DBC. Okay, area DBC is equals to area EBC. Okay, area DBC is equals to area EBC. Prove that DE parallel to BC. Okay, now in the figure, triangle DBC and EBC are standing on the same base BC and between the same parallels DE and BC. Therefore, area DBC is equals to area EBC. Okay, therefore they must be lying between the same parallel lines DE parallel to BC. Okay, this is the answer. The next is eighth question. Eighth question is XY is a line. You can observe here, XY is a line parallel to the base BC of a triangle ABC. If BE is parallel to AC, and CF is parallel to AB meet XY at E and F respectively, show that area ABE is equals to area ACF. It is given that XY is parallel to BC. Therefore, EY is parallel to BC and BF B and BE is parallel to AC. Yeah, BE is parallel to AC and BE is parallel to CY also. AC and CY also. Therefore, BECY is a parallelogram. Similarly, XY is parallel to BC, XE is parallel to BC and CF is parallel to BX or AB. Okay, and CF is parallel to BX also. Therefore, BCFX is a parallelogram. So these two parallelograms BYX and BCFX stand on the same base BC and between the same parallels. Okay, between the same parallels BC and EF. Okay, EF, BC and AC and BE. Therefore, triangle ABE is equals to half of area of triangle parallelogram BEYC. Call this is 2. Then similarly, parallelogram BCFX and triangle AFC stand on the same base FC and between the same parallel lines AB and CF. Therefore, area of triangle ACF is equals to half of area of parallelogram BCFX, that is 3. Comparing 1, 2 and 3, area of triangle ABE is equals to area of triangle ACF. Okay. Now, ninth problem is the side AB. Ninth problem, the side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P. A line through A and parallel to CP meets CB produced at Q, and then parallelogram PBQR is completed. Show that area ABCD is equals to area PBQR. Okay, PBQR. Hint, it is given join AC and PQ. Now compare ACQ. Compare area ACQ and area APQ. Join AC and QP. Now triangles ACQ and APQ are standing on the same base AQ and between the same parallels CP and AQ. Therefore, area ACQ is equals to area ABQ. Area ACQ is equals to area APQ. Therefore, triangle ABC is equals to, area ABC is equals to area QBP. Call that is 2. Diagonals AC and QP divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Okay. Area ACD is equals to 1 by 2 times area ABCD. Call that is 2. Now area QBP is equals to half times a parallelogram PBQR 3. 1 by 2 times area ABCD is equals to 1 by 2 times area PBQR. Therefore, area ABCD is equals to area PBQR. Now, let us move to 10th problem. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to CD intersect each other at O. Okay, prove that area AOD is equals to area BOC. Now, ABCD is a trapezium. Diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. AB parallel to DC. It is given as triangle ABD and BAC stand on the same base. ABD and BAC stand on the same base AB and between the same parallels AB and CD. Therefore, area of triangle ABD is equals to area of triangle BAC. Okay. Now, area of triangle ABD minus area of triangle AOB is equals to area of triangle BAC is minus area of triangle AOB. So, for both we have to subtract this one. So, then you will get area AOD is equals to area BOC. So, 11th problem is ABCD is a pentagon. A line through B parallel to AC meets DC produced at F. Show that area ACB is equals to area ACF. Area AEDF is equals to area ABCDE. Okay. Now, this is triangle ACB and triangle ACF stand on the same base AC and between the same parallel lines AC and BF. Okay. You can observe here in this figure. We know that these two are standing on the same base AC and between the same parallel lines AC and BF. Therefore, area ACB is equals to area ACF. We know that area ACB is equals to area ACF. Area of triangle ACB plus area of triangle ACDE is equals to area ACF plus area of parallelogram ACDE is equals to area ABCD is equals to area AEDF. Okay, it is hence proved. Okay, next problem is ABCD. So here see children, 12th problem not necessary to do. Okay, so then 13th is ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. Okay, a line parallel to AC, intersects AB at X and BC at Y. Prove that area ADX is equals to area ACY. Okay, is equals to area ACY. Now, ABCD is a trapezium, AB parallel to CD. Now, triangle ADX and ACX are standing on the same base AX and between the same parallels AX and CD. Okay. Now, therefore, area of triangle ADX is equals to area of triangle ACX. Okay. Now, AC parallel to XY. Area ACY and ACX stand on the same base. Okay, they are standing on the same base and between the same parallel lines AC and XY. So now therefore area of triangle ACY is equals to area of triangle ACX, that is 2. Okay, next is from 1 and 2, triangle ADX is equals to triangle ACY. Okay, now this is what the answer. Okay, triangle ADX in the sense area, area of triangle. Okay, this is area of triangle ACX is equals to area of triangle DCY. Now 14th problem, this is 2, 3, 4 more problems. 14th problem, AP parallel to BQ parallel to CR, prove that area AQC is equals to area PBR. So this is in a similar way, the same concept. What is the concept, children? Here the concept is between the same base, that means on the same base and between the same parallels, what is it, parallelogram, triangle, whatever it is standing, their areas will be equal. So with the same concept you have to learn this, even 15th and even 16th also. If you find any doubt in these 3 problems, 14th, 15th, 16th, you can ask me. Okay, understood, children? This is what I have, I am sending the notes also. So just to see that if you find any doubt, you can clarify with me. Okay, you can message or else you can call. Okay. Okay, children, this is what the 16th, yes, this is the last problem of the lesson, area of parallelograms and triangles. Okay, children, thank you. Study this, all the problems in this. Thank you, children.